Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for South Central Decatur County, Northern Jennings County, until 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Seymour, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following events are expected. Flying debris west winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Country Squire Lakes around 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Verdon around 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Let's see if it's on Fox.
So this, but
I guess not.
Substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following.
Welcome to Hemster Street, Wilbur.